First I say Kasafon I say Ballon d'Or idea no yan shada wo so papa biasa. Messi no Messi for the 8th time Lionel Messi Yabona Basso said the best player in the world according to the France magazine. No Erling Haaland and Kylian Mbappe and Epre. But Russia said na 2022 World Cup papa kokoji ye. Ni dia odi Inter Miami for the first trophy no dia. I say chairman and one ye de be ma no. Ai na no one Paris Saint-Germain for so boadjuma kura na okọ Inter Miami akọkọje League Cup no dia momo a che se Messi boadjuma na se de ne career mu nyina 29 trophies and an 8th Ballon d'Or. Ronaldo had the ne pre Ronaldo say Ronaldo shana waje 5 ana chama age 8 dia kaka kon dem say Ronaldo 5 na no de besi na kwala mi no mo pre mo Adom Haaland ani Kylian Mbappe na hihye bibia no na Haaland tosomie no Mbappe tosomie nsa sa na de ne kokoye ya hihye dia top 10 players in the world say ya to ye 30 players and ya toto abana doso mu a Messi di kam Haaland tosomie no Mbappe tosomie nsa Kevin De Bruyne toso 9 Rodri toso num Vinicius Junior of Real Madrid toso 9 Julian Alvarez of Man City toso so Victor Osimhen etoso ngoche Bernardo Silva toso Man City no osina kan Luka Modric toso edu we the top 10 players in the world shane so ma me man from one Aitana Bonmati one na wotumi jan naso je mano adia no adisi the matrix so as the best player in the world e wo man from wo Vinicius Junior so timi je the Socrates trophy hey chama oba pa tim say chama amia oh life on the Bobby Palmer life no ho buy na pa na dia etika hye no so sa enso efa ma me na akopie mu award Copa Trophy no Copa Trophy no ye bo Copa Trophy so atim say yes they say ye hwe na ye bo young players abaso na ye bo the best player ye goalkeeper so abaso but Messi ye man abaso body no oda obi a wabo na mana tima gina se e kire se kwan bia so nya na ko bo kakra ka ho be say dem poni mu ayemre.
The 2023 Ballon d'Or France footballer is Lionel Messi.
Good evening, everyone. To share this with my national teammates, what we were able to achieve with the national team. I'd like to thank the entire group, the coaching staff, everyone involved. Also hats off to Kylian, Erling and Kevin. You guys are very young. You've achieved so much already, so plenty of time left. And I'm delighted to be here once more and to be able to enjoy this moment one more time, to be able to win the World Cup and really achieve my dream. And I want to share this with all those who were involved. I'd just like to mention my wife as well, who's been with me through thick and thin, through the worst moments of my career, as well as all the others. Just like to say happy birthday to White Diego Maradona.
Messi na wajina baso body na wada Wobiase na warishe the late Diego Maradona a happy birthday. Hey, and the just and so esi etie and so honomo. I was saying Kashana so mame say other awards about Barcelona say me catch yourself Vinicius Junior energy the Socrates award. I just say we were sending Chelsea City we can goalkeeper near ye the best midfielder near ye the best striker no eko etima Erling Haaland no ye get Muller trophy Jude Bellingham Copa trophy the best young player in the world and a club of the year come Manchester City Emiliano Martinez AJ the Yashin trophy the best goalkeeper the women's club of the year come FC Barcelona to we nesania and share esiete and Ballon d'Or nasia you don't some and so at the brewo and so on more now you feel one year female the ekoso and so e wo fie kakra since you Ballon d'Or and one the ekoso and Peter Messi so o se fata so se fata no an man no o piem World Cup no o je World Cup ndia na se World Cup no wo soro osoro di am say dia na obeje na ade abone ma achieve but my just say FF national teams na catch ofie the women's national team the Black Queens me patcho and we am final training session at the Accra Sports Stadium ahead of the second leg game one the airpim so against Benin Nambacho at the 2024 Paris Olympic Games qualifier first leg Ghana che Benin for Bomokamiensa Benin for Antumi Ante na yɛhwɛ and 3:30 p.m. wɔ the Accra Sports Stadium no second leg no ɛbɛba so Nora Haptel one on a coach the Black Queens so this some kakra to dwa and watch them say na niabre almost akɔhyɛ 3 nanso so mejeja na wɔn Accra Sports Stadium 3 tip dabi Benin for start here hwɛ biom He said an we see
always for results. We're in a qualification and this, it's a second leg and so of course we will drive to win this game. It's the second round of the Olympic qualifiers and it's our objective to pass through to the third round in February. So we take this game with the full seriousness, focus, and we analyzed very well the game, the first game. So we also set our training tactic-wise to find, again, a bit better solutions. And yes, we will...
Way and in or out on somebody to just or better take game in serious. Oma Bogumudia, now so 3, or the Twasa, now about Ticanti, Onya, Omoko, you don't want Bonnie Pa. And we have black queens, a catch, only no blacks as a catch, and then a question of Pajote. Unim sa 2023 Africa Cup of Nations, you know. Sunday, I deny a group Nimuno Ghana group on Nyaba. Nyaba the cry. Tiabesan and want some as we be Siako. Near January Yao. Yeah, January Yako, Bodman Bibiaso. Atimiakoye na former Black Stars player Emmanuel Ajimabadu and running some to just a group Ghana kwakonya na akotomuno o gide se Ghana be free mu man for any vim as a man for bamobu se Ghana afko Christian tin o de animu ikoyi de am found munsi apotre Ajimabadu se be fa group we there.
I'm very optimistic this time we will pass through the group. People are talking about Egypt. Well, when I'm playing with teams like Egypt, I know them. Finding their data is always not too difficult to get them. I'm not afraid of that kind of team because Salah, everybody knows how he plays. They are well experienced. They have won the cup for 7 times, and every 2 years or a year they qualify for the tournament. So these kind of teams, we know how they are. Searching for data for teams like Mozambique, who their players maybe at times they play for second divisions in Europe, they play for the local clubs. It's always difficult for us. So these are the two kind of countries we need to be worried about. But I'm very happy that things are happening early before the tournament, at least so that we can wake up.
Way Annie and Samoa Emmanuel Ajimabadu adi atoja sasani ebubu kemuno Ghana ye boy etwe fair ball friendly matches near a good pa abaye se na be Ghana ye ni beda ho ye group B Ghana ye ni Egypt, Cape Verde and Mozambique and Kwambia so no ye twa se de be pem so sa group ni monte Ghana bet ma qualify for group ni mo Ajimabadu so gidie se Ghana bet ma qualify e de fi e group ni mo November e de ni mo Ghana e board World Cup qualifiers ai ye be se na be kona ye na club issues kakra ne ye se na won sam city Metema Kumasa Sante Kotoko Kache Paul Aqua me pacho Peter Aqua Amidu mom yes the no Peter Aqua Amidu over the weekend was a debut goal against Bechem United at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Prosper Nete Ogum say Kotoko young players be o one o yom kakaka no mutombo Aqua no ni bobo woni bobo papa ya hyasie yi no or Babet yes gidi now or draw fie I say draw no die nani aheda nyo but we fan say
myself and the players we are all not happy because if you look at it means that we've given half of the points away which shouldn't have been if you look at the games we have played and the creativity we've shown in front of goal. We shouldn't be having as I said earlier on, it's a learning curve. Looking at the remaining matches left for the first round, I think we need to ensure that we win all these games and make sure that at the end of the first round we should be at the top there. Kotoko is known to be the best and we must always prove that we are the best.
Coach Prosper Nete Ogum, head coach Adema Metema Kumasa Sane Koroko, no Nensama to Jasano. I was pressure no and fee has so. I am in front of Chatoma. Chama, I could my pressure done so Panan was I got to draw. It was Chinawa Transport Stadium, so we're yet rough Nasubashi. Nasubashi pop, and check win the Bamusu. Drawn, what do you win the Baba?
I think we are close to it. We work very hard on it to finishing in the week, and now it's coming a little bit more in the game. So the fighting spirit is there. The way of we play is okay. Now we have to score, and it's coming for sure. A lot of players are coming back from injury, so I can choose for a lot of players.
Koopman, now Chemo say players no prepare na shall say ba eba Was he win? It's coming pa. Was a winning heba. Watchna ewo Ayakra Sports Stadium. Omane Mediema Sporting Club. Ayaya. Channel mama say no nesa nesa no sisi ate. Imagine so na no pay nsam na si time na bu call for crack one. Nti manwumre chana se na de akire nsam nyina ede abrel. Wonim say na no the Black Stars ko pie mu wo USA no. Ntokwa bi ekosi ye yenu Asiedu Adamu. Ese national security attaché to the national team aso no kon mia no kon apa na so. Emma F4 be ka say da bi. Say na kwa na chechi mu ha na ni do. Say do the more report to asem no. Abrofo post fo na so mu. O ma frɛ F no. O ma go so hwehwem. Ni be piem bia no. Ya no say be bro. F-Pack BX tablets and pon say for the king ho. F-Pack BX tablets and pon say for the king ho. Sanso na DBS Industries Limited be bon so a DBS ya. Aba DBS etem so ne sorry. MTN everywhere you go. Yay! MTN, what I say, network go friend, MTN say everywhere you go. Sending momo everywhere you go. Come up, sponsors no. I be biom yesi akonkon. Yere nsam na de bro. Kai sa wo de nankasa beka Kegyiwa ne ho. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Koswati atwa so nsam.